gwirfoddolwyr yw pobl sy'n dod ato ni i un o'n 7 amgueddfeydd neu yr Canolfan Casgliadau i helpu ni efo unrhyw tasgau dyn ni angen.
People giving up their own time to support the organisation, support Amgueddfa Cymru, the programmes that we run, the exhibitions that we run.
Beth ni'n neud, ni'n casglu llyfrau, donations at pobl, rhoi stickers arnyn nhw gan ôl y pris, a wedyn ni'n llenwi'r silffoedd a gwerthu reina i'r cyhoedd.
I get a trolley in the morning with a bunch of like fossils or random things on it, and then I just take it out into the museum and I set up shop and I wait for kids or families, adults, anyone to come to me and I just tell them about what I've got.
I learn loads about things I never knew anything about in my sort of other life. So learning about fossils, learning about dinosaurs, learning about plants, and meeting different people.
Mae lot o pobl yn dod i gwirfoddoli i dysgu. Maen nhw efo diddordeb yn beth yn yr casgliad a maen nhw wir jyst eisiau dysgu.
Ni wedi gael gwirfoddolwyr ifanc, achos maen nhw'n ffili cael swydd. Ac os ydych chi'n profiad yn yma, os ydych chi'n profiad ydych chi, ydych chi ddim yn gallu cael gwaith.
It's a lot about getting experience because this is kind of what I want to do as a job. It's about kind of going anywhere I can in the museum, just getting experience.
Maen nhw'n dod fan hyn, maen nhw'n cael profiad, a mae rai wedi cael swydd oherwydd gael y profiad yn yr amgueddfa.
Gallwch ymuno unwaith bob wsos, bythefnos, unwaith y mis, a wedyn gyda ni rolaidd gallwch chi ymuno â pob hyn yn hyn.
It's a great way of spending a bit of spare time if you've got any spare time, and if you haven't, make that spare time.
Os yna'n byd gwell na pryd dwi'n cael e-bost gan rhywun yn gofyn am reference i rhywun sydd newydd gael job a neu e-bost gan gwirfoddolwyr sy'n dweud swn i heb di gael job, heb gwirfoddoli, diolch.
It's all down to the players of People's Postcode Lottery, and without their support then we wouldn't be able to run these programmes and we wouldn't have the opportunities for volunteers that we do.